Hi, welcome to a video podcast. This one's going to be about pie charts. It should be fairly quick and easy. Just going to make sure we're set to the maths profile, because that means I've got quick access to the protractor, which is the heart of all this. Just remind you a couple of things about the protractor. If you go over this area, you get the double-headed arrow which lets you move it. If you go here into this sector, you can rotate it, and the numbers recorded on the protractor tell you how much you rotated it by. And probably crucially for this one, if you go out to the edge, then you get the double-headed arrow which allows you to set the size, and that's important because the size of the protractor is going to determine the size of the pie chart. Once you've clicked on your protractor, you get this little option for a dialog box here. I think there are two things that are going to make our lives a bit easier. One is to have a full protractor, because a pie chart is going to go right round 360 degrees, and the next is that we need to click on filled arc. We could use closed arc. I'll just quickly show you what that does. I need to click a pen, and the line width and the colour here are going to work here. Bring your pen up to the edge of the protractor. You can see we've got a little pink dot on the edge of the protractor. So now when we swoop out an arc, you can see that we're forming this kind of pie shape. That obviously is itself is not a pie chart. However, it could be made into a pie chart by combining that with the fill can, like that. But yeah, that's a slightly more laborious way of doing it, but I just thought I should show you what that tool does. Now I think those are objects. Yeah, no, and I think the lines round are annotations. So we'll go back now, and I'll show you a slightly fast way of doing it. If we use a filled arc, and I think for all concerned it'll be less confusing if I turn that back to 0 degrees again. So we go back on the pen tool, and again it's the colour of the pen that's is crucial here, and you can see we can measure out different segments. We can divide up what's left of the country's budget between different departments. You can overlap. It's easy enough to overwrite previous pie segments. I'm just going to do one more, just because I've left a bit of a gap there, and then it's just a matter of doing the calculations to work out what percentage is how many degrees. Obviously 1% is 3.6 degrees, but I'm not planning to cover the maths of that today. Thank you very much.